Check out this Jeep 2016 Wrangler Unlimited Sport. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Quick Order Package 24S, Sunroof soft top, 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, radio, 130, air conditioning and rear window defroster. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and is a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.